Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this colorful artwork using overlapping concentric circles and dots. A piece of white paper, this is 12 by 18 inches. Circle stencil like this, or template. Circles to trace, these are all container lids that I've collected, different sizes. Colored markers. Dot stampers. When I do this lesson in class, I'll cover up all the tables with paper. I usually use butcher block paper, but you can also use a tablecloth. This keeps the surface of the table nice and clean. A paint shirt or an apron to keep your clothes clean. Let's get started. First, I'm going to take my circle stencils and my large circular lids here, and I'm going to trace them on my paper with markers, different colors. I'm going to start with a small circle first, and then I'm going to expand it like a concentric circle. They're going to keep getting larger and larger and larger. And then we're going to use these dot stamp markers here, and we're going to add dots and create patterns and repetition. All right, here we go. You can draw some of them coming off the paper. All right, the circles are drawn. Make sure that you close your marker caps and you hear it click closed so that they don't dry out. Next, I'm going to take my dot markers or dot stampers. You have to take the cap off at the top, you unscrew it, and then you press this part down on the page. So I'm going to make lots of dots going around these circles, and I'm going to try to do some patterns too as I'm doing it. Here we go. You don't have to press too hard to make a dot. finished coloring and making dots. Now it's time to let the artwork dry on the drying rack, and I'm gonna make sure all of the caps go on the correct color bottle by twisting it back on. This way the bottles don't dry out. Let's take a look at my finished artwork. And the more I look at it, the more I wonder what it would look like if I turned the whole thing upside down. So let's try it. I almost think it looks even better like this, upside down. So sometimes when you make art like this, you might have to change the orientation of it, maybe rotate it, put it on its side, see what works best for you. I think I like this way better. I like the way that I used concentric circles in this piece. Those are circles that share the same center. I like the repetition of the circle shape throughout the piece. The colors are vibrant. It reminds me of flowers, maybe gazing up at the sun. It also reminds me a little bit of hubcaps spinning on maybe like a psychedelic van or a bus from like the 1960s. I can imagine all of these circles spinning around in different directions, almost like the cogs and gears of a working colorful clock. I hope your circle picture turned out awesome. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys around.